Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to your Grindr account. So first we have to launch the Grindr app or either the website, and we will get a page like this. So we are required with our email and also with our password. So simply write your email and your password. And if you have forgotten your password, simply tap on the forgot password, which is just below the login, and then you will be required with your email if your Grindr is linked to your email account, and also with your phone if your Grindr is linked to your phone number, and it will send you the code. And we also have the other option, which is Facebook and Google, which is on the bottom. So let's simply tap on the login for the further process. So Grindr will also need to access on my device's location. If not, then it will not show you the profile pictures of other people. So let's tap on while using the app and tap on the accept sharing, which is on the bottom. And we could see, guys, we just logged into Grindr account. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and also comment down below if you have any queries.